Skill, Chapter Number 4, An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Carnival that she could cross the frontier of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. After a Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical engineering against great opposition from her father, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad of Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. Her family from India cruised along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen. Married to fight including Jean Pierre Harrison beside became an astronaut. She was designed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes, and glider. She was also a certified interesting after qualifying as a pilot. Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to NASA Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA in 1994. She was selected by NASA from training as an astronaut. When asked what it was like being a woman in her shoes, she replied, "I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else, and I followed them. And people who were around me, fortunately, always encouraged me and said, if that's what you want to do, carry on." Kalpana's first space mission in the Space Shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the Earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew, including a Japanese and a Korean astronaut, the crew performed experiments such as pollination, planet to observe food growth, a space, and test from making stronger material and faster computer chips. All for a price tag of about $56 million. On the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there as a shock of disbelief. The town of Carnival spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed but to their television set in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived a journalist what she was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. In this age of super specialty, you must have encyclopedia knowledge to be an astronaut. Her equated to inspiration from for millions of young Indians. The story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inscription in a message that she sent from aboard the space shuttle Columbia to students of her college in Chandigarh. Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success just exists. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get in onto the wishing you a great journey. There will certainly be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams."